Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my brand new DJI Mavic Mini. So I waited a long time to buy this because the prices in India are really expensive for the DJI Mavic Mini compared to other countries. And recently I found out that you can buy it on Amazon for a very good price of 32,999. So I bought it from a store called Apario Retail, which is the official store of Amazon. So if you see directly, if you type in Mavic Mini on Amazon, it's very expensive as you can see here. But if you want to get it for the price I got it for, you can click on the link in the description below. Okay guys, so something else to know about the DJI Mavic Mini now is that in India the rules have changed and you need to register this in India as well, and you can only fly it for 50 feet, not meters, but 50 feet away from you, and 50 feet above. So I'm going to give you all the technical rules in another video. I'm going to do my research on it and I'm going to tell you how you can register your drone, and I'll do the whole process and show you guys. So let's get on to unboxing the drone right now. I've been so excited to open it, and let's get on to opening it. Okay, one more thing is this is the DJI normal pack, which is just the drone and the remote control. This is not the combo pack, guys. The combo pack in India costs 68,800, which is quite expensive. And if you're buying, I bought this one and I'm just going to buy an extra battery. That's all you need. The extra battery, do not buy on Amazon because it's very expensive. You can buy it on Imastudent, and I'll put the link of that one down as well. So let's get on to unboxing this. If you have any questions about the drone or about the rules in India, definitely comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So guys, let's get on to unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini. So over here, first you have is the ultra light 249 grams. And let's see on the side of the box. So over here is 249 grams, 30 minutes max flight time, 4 kilometers HD video transmission. It has a vision sensor, it has a GPS precise hover, it has a 3-axis gimbal which is shoots in 2.7K camera, and over here it has a simplified recording and editing, so that is a software. So this is basically telling you you have to agree to the terms and conditions. This is the DJI app, and over here you have the drone, what it looks like. So let's get on to unboxing it. So first we will remove this sticker or whatever it is called. Over here you have the serial number, so I'm just hiding the serial number. Anyway, so let's get on to unboxing it, guys. So let's look at this. This is how the drone comes in. So this is the drone, and over here is the remote controller that you have. So let's just go on to removing the drone. Okay, so I really expected it to be a little lighter, but at the end of the day you have to realize that this is 250 grams, which is still quarter kilo, guys. So it's quite, you can actually feel it. Many people, I've seen the videos of other people, they say that the thing is very light, but it does have some weight to it. So this is the DJI Mavic Mini. So over here you have the sensors. This is the little barcode over here with this basically is your serial number, and over here it has the camera with the cover over here. And yeah, so let's see, over here we have to take off all these things. So this is the battery inside. Okay, before we take off all this, let's get on to seeing what else is in the box. So we'll set that aside. Over here we have the remote control. So let's get on to opening this. Okay, so I'm going to be a little rough over here. Over here, this is the remote control. Okay, so this, it feels like a very premium thing. This is not something that you feel like a toy or something. It has almost like a rubberized feel to it over here. So let's just check. How do you open up? Okay, so you pull these things to the side like this. This is basically for your phone to go in here. And the joystick nodes are over here inside this. So you have to remove these and screw them on over here. So there are I think there's an extra one in the box. So we'll screw it on. Sorry, it's this way. So you just screw it on, and this has like a rubber thing to it over here. And these are the instructions over here. And let's fold out the antennas. So you have to fold it upwards, and we put it out one bit like this. So that's how you're going to unfold it. Whenever you're doing it, always make sure that it looks like this. So this is the way you will get the maximum signal out. So we got the controller. So let's get on to what else is in the box. So we'll keep this here. So this is the little box that comes in over here. Okay, so this is the box. This has, I think, the charger and cable. So we'll see what else is in this. So you have some notes, and this is like do's and don'ts over here. The smart guide. Nobody really reads this, but I'm going to read this. What else? So get to know the laws. Okay, so this particular one which I got is from Australia. It's showing it's come from Australia. So this particular drone that I got came from Australia. So let's just put the box aside. So that's all that comes in the box is this. Okay, and we'll open this. Okay, so here we have the three remote control pins. So you can control to your, connect it to your mobile. So these are the three pins over here. So one is for your iPhone, and the other ones are for the Type-C cable and the regular cable. And over here we have the charging cable, sorry. Now again, over here you have the serial number on all of these over here, and this is the charging cable. So they do not give you the charging, the clip over here. They do not give you that. You have to buy that separately. So the charger, how you charge it is you're going to put it over here for charging, and over here is for the memory card slot. So over here, let's get on to opening it. So we have to remove this carefully. Okay, so these stickers are very tough. They're sticking. The glue on it is very strong. So we push this out to the side like this. Okay, many people make this mistake is they pull this out to the side. It does not open to the side. It comes out down like this. So it's supposed to come below and you go down like this. So guys, now when I unfurl it, this is what it looks like over here. Then we have to take off all these tapes. Wherever the tape is there, we have to take this tape off. So I have to do it as carefully as I can. Okay, so this comes off. Okay, so that was not so careful, but that's how you do it. So this is the gimbal, to protect the gimbal, and let's see if it goes back properly. Okay, so it's like a clip-on thing, but it doesn't really clip on properly. So anyway, this is the guard for this. That's what the drone looks like. You have to take off all these stickers before flying them. Make sure you take them all off. And over here you have the battery. So let's see if we can remove the battery to check. So over here you press this up and then you pull the battery out. So let me just show you again. You press, there's this small little thing over here which you have to press and then pull out the battery. So this is a battery. The battery is the whole weight of the drone. The drone itself has no weight of its own. So if you see over here, So this is the battery. You can buy extra batteries. uh, I've already told you how you buy the batteries. So that's the battery. So that's it, guys. That's the little cute drone. So yeah, just to put it into perspective, I have a pen over here. So if you see the size of the pen, so if you can see over here the size of the drone, and the pen is almost similar, guys. So it's very cool.